back with another banger. We're going to be talking about BTC USD. Can Bitcoin go to 5,000? We're going to read a little bit about this article right here. Bitcoin could plunge 70% to 5,000. Standard Chartered predicts impossible 2023 surprise. Now, we're going to read that. I'm also going to give you some levels on Bitcoin that will kind of give us that sign that it might want to go there. Okay, so we can kind of predict how it's going to go. We don't know for sure. We can kind of predict how it's going to go depending on which levels break. If support levels keep breaking, that means Bitcoin wants to go down. If resistance levels start to break, that means Bitcoin wants to start going higher. So stay tuned, smash the like button, subscribe. Make sure you watch the video before this one on Cardano. Cardano making some moves, new key levels on Cardano if you're looking to buy Cardano, in Cardano, and so forth. Let's go ahead and go straight over the news. Now, Bitcoin could drop to 5,000 next year in a market surprise that investors are underpricing, according to a Standard Charter making a 70% plunge from the current level of around 17,000. In a note entitled The Financial Market Surprises of 2023, Standard Charter outlined a number of possible scenarios that we are underpriced by the markets. Standard Chartered said rising yields along with the plunge in technology stocks will lead to an acceleration of the Bitcoin sell-off and cause further bankruptcies and collapses in the crypto world. Now, Bitcoin could drop to 5,000 next year in a market surprise that investors are underpricing according to Standard Charter. Now, I do believe where Bitcoin price is now, if we take all this off, I do believe we could hit 10,000 again on Bitcoin. I believe that, okay? 5,000 we will see, but I think 10,000 I think we will hit, as we have been kind of just going straight down. The high was about 68. We've seen this before. It went from 64,000 to about 29. It had that run again. This is a run we weren't expecting. Huge run. But also what came off of this was the FTX collapses. Crypto exchanges can't provide liquidity, so they got to go bankrupt and all this stuff. That's what's bringing this down even more. Okay, if that didn't happen, we probably would not be around 7,000. We'd probably be up maybe in the 20s or so. But since all this stuff is happening, it's kind of just been falling down to the floor. So yields plunge along with technology shares, and while the Bitcoin sell-off decelerates, the damage has been done. More and more crypto firms and exchanges find themselves with insignificant liquidity, like I just said, leading to a further bankruptcies and a collapse in investor confidence in digital assets. Global head of research at Standard Chartered said in a note on Sunday. Robertson said that somewhat extreme scenarios have a non-zero probability of happening in the next year ahead and fall materially outside of the market consensus, our own basis of views. Now, they did go more over that, but I don't want to prolong it, okay? But that's what they're seeing on Bitcoin. Like I said, I could see Bitcoin going to 10,000, and I'll give you guys a level. If this level breaks, that's going to be a key sign of Bitcoin going to 10,000, and it's this level right here. So what we want to do is we turn level orange. That level at orange is 13,500. That is a very critical level of support. So if this support level right here breaks around 13,500, that is when I'll be like, okay, we're for sure going to $10,000 on Bitcoin. It's this level right here, 13,500 down here, okay? That is probably going to be like, okay, we're going to 10,000. So mark that level on your chart. Now, if we go to the hourly, we'll have another levels. I had a resistance level here around 17,300. Showed resistance twice, actually, here and here, having that big pull down. Now, this pull down actually came off some news this morning also, but nonetheless, still show resistance at where I was expecting. So now we're falling down, okay? Support is actually going to be moved up to here, to about 16,600. So we're going to move this up about 200. Let's put that here. Let's take all this off real quick. Make sure you guys don't forget to smash that like button. Join the team. It's the first link in that description if you want all my buys and sells for cryptos. So 16,600 is our support level. Our resistance level, I'll move it up a little bit to about 17,000. Actually, I'm going to leave it at 17,300. I think this is still a resistance level, and our support level right now is around 16,600. So right now, not really looking to buy Bitcoin unless we get some buying pressure off of the support or support holds, or unless we break this resistance level on the upside. But until then, I'm kind of just being patient on it, kind of just waiting on my hands, especially with all this stuff in crypto going on. I'm in no rush to try to buy it because right now, all I see is downside. Until we have significant price moves on the upside and like resistance level breaks and so forth, then I could probably see higher prices. But for right now, we just got to be patient. I'll update you guys as I see fit. And then whenever these levels break, I'll update you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything. Just for education purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I'll catch you guys at that next one.